tractor I was talking about in my video, whenever I was clipping cow pastures, I believe what it was. About the rant, about corporate farms and shit, and then about a possible new tractor purchase. Well, we got that tractor now, got it yesterday. It's down there and right now at the barn. I said it was like junk and not really going to be able to use. But it's fertilized. But we got it and cleaned it up. I mean, you should have seen the fucking mess it's in whenever we went up there to get it cranked up and tried to get it started. Turbo was froze up on it. Took it up a road and give her a little bit of hail going up a road. Just poured it to it like I was going to take this and up the road. Well, the turbo finally come unfroze on it, and when it did, there's a bunch of shit and smoke, trash and everything come out of it. Boy, she'll sit there and she'll whine now. But it's got a door to it. The door is took off of it. Back glass is out of it. Dash on. Just see how that plastic is? Dash is cracked through here. Y'all see that later. But yeah, we got the tractor in. Pretty good, I reckon, because we're going to be running it. I would be spreading fertilizer with it today, but it needs a hydraulic oil changed in it, because that's what runs the transmission and shit. It's a little milky. Changed the motor oil. Runs good. Got the throttle unstuck. Got the lift arms unstuck. See how this works. Yeah, I got all that shit unstuck. Be a video a bit soon. I'll see if I can attach some pictures to this video. I got some pictures of it. Motor's clean, rear end's clean. I think it'll be a solid, good old running tractor. It came with a new turbo, so when that turbo was froze up, it's already on it. I'd say it won't last long, but if it goes out, we got a turbo on standby. Like I said, I believe it's going to be a good runner. Comment, rate, subscribe. Well, I'm going to show y'all something. Oh. I want y'all to see how short-legged this motherfucker is. Short-legged as hell, huh? You can see right there all the dirt I've dug up. Just any little old dip in the field, it hangs. Had problems first off before we even got 5 foot with it. The belt that was on it broke. So I went down there in the barn and found this, and you can see right there. It ain't too good itself, but it's been working, so. long as it works, you know, we ain't gonna put that new belt on it because, hell, we're just gonna put that belt on it anyways. If it did break, run it, then take it off, send it back to Warner. Put that belt on it. After all, that's their responsibility to take care of their own buggies, and we ain't supposed to furnish their shit. Comment, rate, and subscribe.